How do I share my Gantt chart with my SteerCo? Okay, so this was a question that came up under the context of talking about MS Project, and it had two angles. It was, how do we share this as a distributable plan that can be understood by the audience? And the second one was, how do we present it to the meeting itself? In a way, I prefer the answer to the meeting itself because that's a little bit transferable and you can use it for wider communications by email. So don't, essentially, don't try to share a multi-hundred line Gantt chart in MS Project with your audience. It doesn't really matter who it is, other than maybe your direct project team. Have links out to it from everything else that you share regarding the plan, but don't actually share the full document. Not to mention, there are so many costs with having that. Everybody who has to watch something through MS Project seems to have a license requirement, so and it's not cheap either. So instead, if you can create a plan on a page or a high level plan and just show the key activities, the key dependencies, usually your SteerCo does not need to drill into these level 3, level 4 activities. They're looking for the big items, stage gates, key milestones, major dependencies. That's really all they're interested in. And if you can provide a link to a document that's maybe a PDF extract, so they don't need to have a license, or if you've got some sort of an MS Project reader, I've heard these things are out there, that's fine. But don't try to share the whole Gantt chart, and certainly do not sit there in a SteerCo with your full Gantt chart open and going through that on a line by line basis. You'll kill the meeting. Instead, have the high level plan, focus before the meeting, determine for yourself 3 or 4 key things from the plan that you want to draw attention to. Don't let them just look at the plan and figure it out for themselves. Have a few points that you want to direct them to, the key points that are important for them. Okay? Happy to help.